The only way for us to succeed is to work hand in hand with you and through you and building on your knowledge and your capabilities. A key enabler to achieving our shared goals is the proactive engagement between the public and private sector. This level of engagement can ensure that the UAE's regulatory and legislative frameworks are optimal, relevant, and flexible enough to create the right environment for progress. The UAE's annual food trade exceeds 100 billion dirhams. We're already a global food logistics hub, meaning that for F&B manufacturers in the UAE, they're in a unique platform that gives them access to established trade channels. And these trade channels and this access will only grow to new markets, and this is what we're working on.